Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I'm going to show you a fun way on how to use your sequins and creating your very own DIY embellishments. So first, I've already created this tag using some cardstock here. I've stamped and colored the typewrite stamp kit onto it and colored it with my Copics, and then inked up the entire tag using some Tim Holtz Tattered Rose Distress Oxide ink. And I'm grabbing the beautiful Aurora Sequins by Unity stamp, which is so pretty. And I'm also grabbing the Thermal Web Mixed Media Adhesive here to adhere all the sequins to my tag. So today I'm going to be creating some flower sequin embellishment. I'm starting off with the larger sequin here as the center of the flower, and then just adding the petals around the large sequin. And that is how you're going to create a simple flower sequin embellishment. Just check it out. So just imagine the possibilities of all kinds of embellishments that you could create using your sequins. You could create rainbows, clouds, anything that you want. Just have fun and be creative. Next, I'm going to be adding the tiny sequins all around my tag because it is so pretty, and I think I just want to use all the sequins in the bag. So here is my finished tag with all the pretty sequins. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!